The Social Security Administration has shared important updates that matter to millions of Americans who depend on monthly support. These payments are not just numbers on a check. For many households, they represent stability, security, and the ability to meet daily needs. Retirees who spent decades in the workforce, individuals living with disabilities, and low-income families all count on this support to cover essentials like food, housing, and health care. That is why every announcement from the agency carries weight. People want to know if the amount will change, if the timing of deposits will shift, or if new policies may affect the way they receive benefits. The current update places attention on payment schedules and what beneficiaries can expect in the near future. The system is designed to be predictable, but it follows specific rules. For Social Security, retirement, and disability benefits, the agency issues payments on a staggered schedule throughout the month. Those born between the 1st and the 10th of the month usually receive their payment on the second Wednesday. Those with birthdays between the 11th and the 20th get their payments on the third Wednesday, while individuals born after the 20th receive theirs on the fourth Wednesday. This system helps the agency distribute funds more smoothly and prevents delays that might occur if everyone were paid at the same time. For people receiving Supplemental Security Income, the process is different. SSI is designed to assist individuals with limited income and resources, and those payments are generally sent at the very beginning of each month. This difference often leads to some people receiving their funds before others, depending on which program they qualify for. Understanding the timing is important so that beneficiaries can prepare bills, plan grocery shopping, and budget for other expenses. However, not every month looks the same. Sometimes the schedule is adjusted because of weekends or federal holidays. If a payment date falls on a holiday or a Saturday or Sunday, the funds are usually issued on the last business day before the scheduled date. This means a person might see money arrive slightly earlier than expected. It is essential to remember that these earlier payments are not bonuses or extra checks. They are simply adjustments to avoid interruptions. Knowing this can prevent confusion and help people plan better for their household needs. Beyond the schedule, the Social Security Administration also focuses on cost of living adjustments. Commonly called COLAS, these yearly increases are meant to keep up with inflation. When the cost of everyday goods like groceries, fuel, and utilities rises, a fixed payment can lose value quickly. COLAs are tied to the Consumer Price Index, which tracks changes in prices across the economy. If prices rise significantly, beneficiaries see an increase in their monthly benefits starting in January of the following year. For many, this adjustment is not just helpful, it is critical. It ensures that Social Security payments remain meaningful and can still cover essential expenses even when the economy shifts. Over the past few years, inflation has been higher than usual, and that has put additional stress on households. People living on fixed incomes often feel this the most because their budgets do not leave much room for sudden increases in food or utility costs. Knowing that the Social Security Administration monitors these changes and adjusts payments accordingly provides some reassurance. While the exact percentage of the adjustment is announced each fall, people can prepare themselves ahead of time, knowing that changes will come into effect at the start of the new year. Another important detail highlighted in the update is the method of receiving payments. Direct deposit remains the fastest, most reliable, and most secure option. With direct deposit, funds go straight into a person's bank account, eliminating delays caused by mailing and reducing the risk of checks being lost or stolen. For individuals who do not use a bank, the Direct Express debit card is available. This card works much like any other debit card, allowing beneficiaries to withdraw money, make purchases, and manage their funds without needing a traditional account. This option has provided an accessible and safe solution for many people. The agency continues to encourage beneficiaries to create and maintain their My Social Security account online. This tool is one of the most useful resources available. With an account, individuals can view benefit statements, confirm payment schedules, check earnings history, and make updates to their personal information. Instead of waiting on hold by phone or visiting an office in person, beneficiaries can manage much of their Social Security information from home. For many, this has made dealing with benefits much more convenient and less stressful. For people who are newly eligible, the process of applying for Social Security or Supplemental Security Income requires attention to detail. Accurate documentation is critical, and delays often occur when paperwork is incomplete. The Social Security Administration stresses the importance of submitting all required records, such as proof of age, work history, or medical evidence for disability claims. Staying organized and carefully reviewing forms before submission can save time and help ensure that benefits begin without unnecessary delays. The agency has also been working to improve its services, especially with the high demand it faces. Wait times for customer service have been a challenge, but ongoing efforts are being made to streamline communication and provide better assistance to applicants and current beneficiaries. Whether through the website, by phone, or in person, the goal remains the same: to make sure people get the benefits they are entitled to without confusion or long delays. These updates from the Social Security Administration are not only about procedures and schedules, they are also about trust. Beneficiaries rely on the consistency of these payments. A retiree may use the funds to cover rent, prescriptions, and groceries. A person living with a disability may depend on the money for medical equipment and daily needs. Families who qualify for SSI may use the benefit to keep the household running month after month. Any uncertainty in this system could bring significant stress, which is why clear updates from the agency matter so much. The importance of Social Security benefits goes beyond finances. They provide dignity to retirees who worked and contributed for decades. They offer support to individuals who cannot work because of health conditions. They bring stability to children and families in need. In many ways, these payments are the backbone of financial security for millions across the country. Knowing that the Social Security Administration is maintaining schedules, adjusting for inflation, and offering safe methods of payment provides peace of mind. By staying informed through official updates, beneficiaries can better prepare for the future. Reviewing payment calendars, watching for cost of living announcements, and using digital tools like My Social Security can make a significant difference in managing personal finances. Every household situation is unique, but the certainty of Social Security payments provides a foundation people can count on. The Social Security Administration's latest confirmation about payments reinforces its ongoing commitment to beneficiaries. Timely deposits, fair adjustments, and secure delivery systems remain the agency's priorities. For millions of Americans, these updates are more than just routine news. They are assurance that their essential benefits will continue, helping them navigate everyday challenges with greater confidence. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and is not intended as official guidance from the Social Security Administration. Payment dates, benefit amounts, and policy details may vary based on individual circumstances. For the most accurate and up-to-date information about Social Security or Supplemental Security Income benefits, beneficiaries should visit the official Social Security Administration website at www.ssa.gov or contact the agency directly. The